Hi Shri Gurudev. Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to the 9th Standard Science online classes. My dear students, from today onwards, we are going to start the second term portions. So, in that, we are going to discuss about biology lesson. Dear children, as we know that the food is very basic necessary for each and every living organism. And as we know that food is very essential for us also in order to provide a regular supply of energy and to keep our body fit and to carry on all the life process activities. The food is very essential to us right now. And then a basic necessary for proper functioning of the cells and their tissues and their organ system also, the food is very necessary. Why? Because for the proper functioning of each and every cell or each and every tissue or each and every organ system requires energy. That energy is fulfilled by the food only, right? No, so based on that food only, how the our body will be works and what kind of the problems if the person doesn't get the food. So these are all we are going to discuss in the lesson, why do we fall ill. Yes, dear children, as we know that the food is basic necessary for each and every living organism, and proper functioning of tissues, proper functioning of cell organelles, proper functioning of organ system, and proper functioning of all life process activities, and to keep our body fit, this food will be very helpful. Why? Because the food only a material that will be supply the regular energy to do all these activities, right now, dear children. So if you want to maintain a good health also, the food is very essential. In case of anything that disturbance will be takes place in the proper functioning of cells and tissues, so that will be leads to failure of proper functioning of our cells, organ systems, and as well as tissues that in the body, that will be leads unhealthy, right now. So which means why we will be feel unhealthy means our whatever the cells is present in our body or specific tissues is present in our body or specific organ systems is present in our body, so that organ system will be get any disturbance. So because of that disturbance only, the failure of proper functioning will be happen in that specific organ system, that will be leads unhealthy. Thus the health is very essential to each and every organ system to for the purpose of proper functioning of organ system and as well as our mind, right now. So based on that health and health related issues whatever we are going to face in our day to day life, so these are all the concepts we are going to discuss now. Dear children, as we know that health is nothing but it is a state of physical, mental and social well-being. So health is nothing but it is a state of physical, mental and social well-being. It is also called as absence of any disturbance in our body or absence of diseases or good physical fitness. This we call it as health, right? No, so it could be defined as health is nothing but the state of physical, social and as well as mental well-being. Is it right? No, so this we call it as health. If is there any disturbance will be takes place in physical, mental and social, that we call it as unhealthy. So, if you want to maintain the healthy conditions or the good amount, good health in our day to day life, some of the things that will be very essential. So, that we are going to discuss now. So, this health will be necessary conditions for the maintenance of the good health are good physical and social environment, good physical and social environment, good economic conditions, social equality and harmony, physical health services and personal hygiene. These are all the major four kind of the necessary things that will be very helpful to maintain the good health in our day to day life. So good physical and social environment will be results, or it will be explains related to the maintenance of the cleanness in our surroundings, good amount of sanitization, good maintenance of garbage and garbage disposal, and as well as clean drinking water. These are all the conditions will be comes under the good physical and social environment. So which means each and every person or each and every man in the world or in our surroundings or in this country must be maintain his cleanness in his home surroundings or in a specific area what he has been survival, and must be has to be maintained good sanitization in our in his surroundings, and avoid the wastage disposal in a public areas, and as well as the maintaining or getting the clean drinking water is also one kind of the condition which is necessary to maintain the good health. And then good economic condition. So good economic condition is also includes the job opportunities for each and every person or any one person in his family. So as a result of that he will be earn money. So because of earning money he will be get the good quality of the food or ingredients or the food items. As a result of that, the person and his family will be get the good amount of energy, proteins, lipids, whatever the body required nutrients. As a result of that, that if the economic condition become improved or very good for each and every person, that will be leads a good healthy life, right? No, so economic condition is also will be play a major role to maintain the good health. If the person economic condition is not good means what will it will be leads, the person doesn't get the good quality food, and that will be the person will be fails to lead the healthy life. So economic condition is also play a major role for the maintenance of good health. Apart from that, next necessary condition, that is social equality. So social equality is required. So participating in others' joys and sorrows, helping to each other, and receiving the help at the time of need, and helping to others what if they need. This also will be play a major role to maintain the good health. That is nothing but mutual sharing between one person to other person or family members to neighborhoods. So this also very important necessary condition to maintain the good health. Apart from that, public health service, it is also one kind of the necessary service or the necessary thing that will be very helpful to maintain the good health. So public services is nothing but health service ensures the clean environment. The person or the government or the anyone municipality whatever it may be, so that will be maintains a clean environment in the specific areas or the persons where the human group is survival, and protects the public from various diseases, and as well as the government has a responsibility to removal of the garbage, drainage and sewage services, proper water or the drinking water. So these are all will be con- is controlled by the government. Apart from that, human beings are the man is also will be play a major role to maintain all these. So this is also there is nothing but the public health service is also one of the necessary condition to maintain the good health. Apart from these are all the things which are those good physical and social environment, good economic conditions and social equality and harmony, personal health service. Whatever now we are going to discuss, the fourth very important necessary condition, that is nothing but personal hygiene. Dear children, this personal, if you didn't maintain the personal hygiene, whatever the four conditions are there, physical and social environment, economic conditions, social equality, and public health service, this entirely become collapsed if you didn't maintain the public hygiene or personal hygiene. Okay, so it will be includes the personal hygiene will be includes personal cleanness, like cleaning of teeth, bathing regularly, taking care of your eyes, taking care of your internal organs, taking care of your nose, mouth, tongue, and as well as maintenance of personal hygiene, time in time proper vaccination, in time proper medicines, intaking of the medicines. These are all will become under the personal hygiene. If you didn't maintain the personal hygiene, definitely the person will be leads unhealthy life in his day-to-day life, in his day-to-day, right now. So that's why each and every children is responsible to maintain the personal hygiene personally to you and as well as your family members. So must be guide to your family members to maintain the personal hygiene. This maintenance of the personal hygiene will be very helpful to maintain or lead healthy life in our day to day life. So healthy life, it will be very helpful to maintain the good health in our daily life. So I hope you understand the different kinds of necessary conditions that will be required to maintain the good health. Dear children, now very important thing, so what do you mean by if you didn't maintain the good personal hygiene, so you will face a lot of diseases, that diseases will be attached to you. So then what do you mean by disease, right? No, so different kinds of the unhealthy situations that you are going to face in our life, like fever, body pains, cold, cough, vomiting, and these week, if you face these are all the conditions, so that is we call it as uncomfortable situation. Is it right? No, so this uncomfortable situation or uneasiness is called as disease. Then what do you mean by health? Health is nothing but physical fitness or free from the disease, or it is also defined as physical, social and environmental or social and well-being. So then can you tell me what is the difference between the health and disease free? So health is nothing but it is a kind of a state of physical, mental and social well-being. So the disease free is nothing but it is a state of absence. So this is a totally different. Disease free is totally different. Health is totally different. Healthy is totally different. So disease free is nothing but absence of discomfortment or absence of derangement or absence of disease. That is we call it as disease free. Dear children, health means it will be refers to the individual, even the physical and as well as social. Complete health is nothing but the complete whole body will becomes disease free means it only specific individual will becomes. And then so this individual has a good health, the individual may have good health or poor health. So these are all the major difference between the health and disease or disease free. My dear children, in this session we have discussed about the meaning of health and the requirements or the necessary conditions to maintain the good health, and as well as meaning of disease free, and as well difference between the healthy and the disease free. Dear children, is there any clarifications regarding today's topic? Please drop a message through WhatsApp or make a phone call. And must be maintain the continuous lesson. So now whatever we are providing the notes, so that should be maintained in the whatever now you are writing in that notes only. You should continue the notes in the second session portions also, and maintain separate homework book according to date wise, and you have to take the signature from the subject teachers when you coming to the school. It is mandatory to all the students. Apart from that, complete the given homework in time and send that photographs through WhatsApp without file. It is also mandatory for all the children. Stay home, stay healthy. Thank you. Jai Shri Gurudev.